Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the best new binary options trading apps in 2025. Some hidden gems you might not have heard of yet, but definitely should check out if you're looking to enhance your trading game. Let's dive right in. 1. Quotex. Quotex has quickly become a favorite for binary options traders in 2025. It's a relatively new platform with a sleek interface and advanced trading tools that make it easy to trade. Quotex offers a wide variety of assets, including stocks, forex, and commodities, and even provides a demo account for beginners. One standout feature is its customizable charting tools and AI-powered predictions, which give traders an edge in making more accurate trades. Number 2, Pocket Option. Pocket Option is another rising star in binary options trading. It offers low minimum deposits and a user-friendly interface, making it great for both beginners and experienced traders. Pocket Option supports multiple account types, allowing you to choose a plan that fits your trading needs. It also offers a range of payment methods for deposits and withdrawals, which is a huge plus. One of its coolest features is the ability to trade with social trading, allowing you to follow and copy the strategies of other successful traders in real time. 3. IQ Option. IQ Option has been around for a while, but has made significant upgrades in 2025, adding more assets and features. It now offers real-time market analysis and binary options trading across various financial instruments. IQ Options mobile app is incredibly intuitive, and they've also introduced a new AI-driven trading assistant that can help guide your trades based on current market conditions. The app also has real-time charts and indicators so you can track your trades accurately. 4. Bonomo. Bonomo has a growing reputation as a reliable binary options app, especially in 2025. It provides an advanced trading platform with an impressive range of technical analysis tools and a low minimum trade amount. Binomo's standout feature is its training center, where new traders can access a wide variety of educational resources. Plus, they have a virtual trading account, allowing you to practice strategies before trading with real money. 5. OlympTrade. OlympTrade is another binary options platform that has continuously evolved, offering a solid app experience for both iOS and Android users. The platform provides a free demo account and access to a variety of assets such as forex, stocks, and commodities. What makes OlympTrade stand out in 2025 is its extensive market analysis features and risk management tools, which can help reduce the chances of heavy losses. The app's trade signals and educational materials make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. 6. Expert Option. Expert Option is known for its advanced charting tools and excellent customer support. It's one of the top binary options apps in 2025, thanks to its low fees, fast deposits, and competitive returns. It offers a variety of binary options contracts and the ability to trade forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. If you're looking for a reliable, secure platform with a simple, no-frills interface, Expert Option might be the right choice. These are some of the best new binary options trading apps in 2025 that you should definitely check out. Each app has its own unique features, so depending on your trading preferences, one of these might be the perfect fit for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or would like more recommendations. See you in the next one.